Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Welcome to Food in a Flash. I'm Coach Callie from Group Health Cooperative of Eau Claire in the Health Promotion Department. Today's topic is pineapple. So a couple quick facts about pineapple. They are extraordinary, mostly because they're loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants. They have strong anti-inflammatory properties and support a healthy immune system. And they contain zero fat and cholesterol, which makes them a perfect choice for a heart-healthy snack. So nutrition facts, per 1 cup of pineapple, there are 82 calories, there are 22 grams of carbs, 16 grams of sugar, and 2.3 grams of fiber. Pineapples are loaded with vitamins and minerals. They have an extreme amount of vitamin C. It's actually quite amazing. Just 1 cup of pineapple provides 131% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C promotes healing, it reduces inflammation, and protects the body against free radical damage. Pineapple also provides 100% of the daily recommended intake of manganese. Manganese supports bone development and a healthy metabolism. And pineapples also provide 9% of the daily recommended value of copper. Copper is essential for energy levels and aids in tissue repair. And pineapples also have a lot of B vitamins. They help your body process energy from food and encourage blood cell formation. And red blood cells supply oxygen to your organs and tissues, so they're pretty great for that as well. Finally, pineapple has an enzyme called bromelain. It's found in the pineapple core and the stem, and it has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. When used topically, bromelain can speed the healing of cuts and burns and relieve sore muscles and tissues. Pineapples are also high in fiber. They provide about 10% of the daily recommended intake. And fiber tends to lower blood sugar, promotes weight loss, and helps you feel full for longer. Due to all the vitamins and minerals in pineapple, they produce a ton of benefits for the human body. So firstly, pineapples reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants prevent blood clotting. They lower the risk of heart attack and stroke, and many other areas of the heart. And secondly, pineapples support fertility. The copper in pineapple tends to prevent tissue damage, which encourages a healthy reproductive system and a higher chance of conceiving. Pineapple also decreases respiratory inflammation. The antioxidants reduce inflammation and can ease coughing and cold symptoms, so they're great during this time of year. Pineapple also protects against cancer. The antioxidants can destroy abnormal cells that promote cancer growth, specifically in the colon and the stomach. Pineapples also aid in digestion. So the enzymes in pineapple are responsible for increasing healthy bacteria in the gut, which break down food more efficiently and protect against autoimmune disease. And lastly, pineapples improve mental health. They can positively impact depression and anxiety through boosting serotonin, better known as the happy hormone. In other words, they support a good mood, so also great for this time of year. The peak season of pineapples is from March to July. However, you can typically purchase them year-round. When storing pineapples, they tend to ripen at room temperature for about 2 to 3 days, but when doing so, be sure to monitor the fruit as they perish quickly. Whole, ripe pineapples can be stored in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days. Wrapping them in a plastic bag will prevent them from drying out as well. Cut pineapple will last in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days in an airtight container. When shopping for pineapple, make sure to select ones that are firm, heavy, and fragrant. The ideal pineapple will have a brown shell and dark green leafy top. Try to avoid pineapples with dry leaves, bruises, or a sour smell. When preparing pineapples, they can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or canned. Try to aim for canned pineapple packed in its own juice rather than syrup. There are a couple different ways to slice a pineapple, but the easiest way is to start by twisting off the stem and cutting off both ends, and then setting the pineapple upright and slicing the remaining edges of the brown shell. And then you cut the fleshy part off the pineapple into quarters until you reach the core. And that is included in that video that I did link into the chat. And there are various ways to serve pineapple as well. One way is to grill them. So you can slice them and grill them for about 3 to 5 minutes per 1-inch slice. If you don't have a grill, you can always prepare it on the stovetop as well. Caramelizing pineapple enhances its sweetness, so it makes it a healthy alternative to refined sugars and great for desserts as well. And that brings me to baking them. So you can add them to cakes, such as pineapple upside down cake, pie, or pudding. You can also use them to sweeten your breakfast. Pineapples are great for smoothies, yogurt, or low-fat cottage cheese. You can even use them to liven up your protein. So you can add them to recipes with chicken, meatballs, pork chops, or shrimp. And I did include a recipe with shrimp and pineapple kebabs. The enzymes in pineapple are excellent for tenderizing meat and providing a sweet and tangy flavor. And finally, pineapples can be thrown into a lot of different side dishes. You can toss them into fruit salad, add them to salsa, or mix them with roasted sweet potatoes. Really, whatever you would like to do with them. So yeah, that's that. It's a lot of information on pineapple, but it really is an extraordinary fruit. Thanks for listening, guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.